Hello everyone, this is Alex, and today I'm super excited to show you about what I think is the most powerful AI chat for Obsidian. In some ways, it's even more capable than ChatGPT Pro with the latest model. I can get the context from your notes, you can point at tags, you can point at folders to get multiple notes, a collection of notes, and I can also search by terms, date range, and even get YouTube video transcriptions. All this within the chats inside of Obsidian. Some of you have already been using File Organizer 2000 for its organization purposes using AI, but I think this new edition brings the value of the tool to the next level. So I want to show you in this video some new ways in which you can use AI to interact with your vault. And for the devs out there, their inspiration that we had was Cursor, which is, according to us, the best AI chat integration for code editor out there. So now let me show you how it looks like. Okay, so we're now in my Obsidian Vault, and here I have this folder with a number of recipes, which are basically settings for my camera to have different photography profiles. So here I have this one called Yakisugi Green, I have Kodak Ultramax. These are pretty much all my favorite ones. And I can ask inside of the AI chat here on the right, let's clear the context. I could point at the folder which is called photography recipes. I can point at it here and ask which of these recipes would be the two best ones to use on a sunny day. I can press enter. Here you can see that it took the folder as context and it recommends me two of those recipes as the best ones, which is Kodak Ultramax and the other one Bright Summer. And I know these two, and it is probably the best recommendation they could give me. So that works really well. So this example was with pointing at a folder, but you can also point at specific files. For example, here I could have 0 hour within the context. What I can also do is point at tags. So here, for example, we have a YouTube tag, we have Fuji, and this will select the context of all your files with that, that tag, for example. But then what I could do with this information now is basically ask the chat to write a blog post about my 2 favorite Fuji film recipes to use on a sunny day. And there we go, it's writing the entire post. Let me put this in full screen. An entire blog post using the context of my files, which were already my favorite recipes. And it's using the info, of course, where are they? It's using the content of these files, the summary I have here, and which one is the other one, the information that is here to write what looks like a pretty good start to write a blog post. So this is already, I think, a really cool way of using AI chat inside of Obsidian. But let me show you another one. So this one now is probably my favorite one. And this is something that's also not possible to do on ChatGPT, for example. And it's this. So here I have a YouTube video of a 2-hour long interview about Donald Trump and Elon Musk. It's 2 hours long. There's probably a lot of stuff that's not that important to hear. But what I do want to know, and which is important, I think, this year, is to get informed about the policies of the candidates to get an informed opinion about the situation of politics in the US. So what I can do here is just copy this link. I can get back into my Obsidian. I can start a new chat. I'll remove this from context. And here I can post this link and I can tell the AI get transcript. That's one limitation for now we have. You need this first step before asking actions to do with it. So here I say get transcript. I see that I got it. And I can ask afterwards, what was it that I wanted to ask? which policies were discussed in this video. And here we can see all the policies that Elon Musk and Donald Trump discussed in the video, so we don't have to listen to the entire thing with a lot of stuff that's probably not important. Donald Trump saying he's got better crowds and stuff. So here I can see they talk about legal immigration, border security, economic policies, and so on. But this is still a bit quite meta for me, so I can also ask, can you get into more details? And here we have more detailed information about the policies that they discussed. So yeah, that's super useful because instead of watching that 2-hour video, I can extract that information super fast, within seconds literally, to get the information that's important for me. Okay, so now another thing you can also do is, for example, ask the chat, get my 7 most recent files. And it's going to add those into context now. And here, for example, I see the 2 that interest me are these 2. Again, these are recipes. You can also even like just access them like this by clicking on them. So it's also super handy, just as a search tool. But anyways, let's keep them into context and ask, what are the main differences between these 2 recipes? And here it gives you that information, which is also cool. What you can also do, which is similar, let's start a new chat. You can ask, let's clear the context, get all the nodes from this week. And here it fetches all the nodes you modified within that time frame. You can also specify specific time frames, and it gets all those files and adds them into context. So you can ask also, get all my notes from today, get all my notes from August, and so on. So that's a quick recap of what you can do with the AI chat of File Organizer 2000 inside of Obsidian. If you want to try it out, there's a 3-day free trial that you can have if you click the link below. And for those that are interested in a lifetime plan of File Organizer 2000, I throw a 20% off promo code. It's Nimbus, NIMBUS, which is valid until Monday only. So that's it. I think, as I said, this is the best AI chat for Obsidian right now, and we're going to keep on improving it, making it more seamless. And we also have a huge feature that we're working to integrate that I think will blow your mind, pretty much. Check out our videos to see our other features that we have with File Organizer 2000, and reach out on Discord if you have any questions about how it works. And any feedback is welcome about what you think about this new feature. If you think we need to add something, remove something, it's super useful. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.